不仅是视觉上的一种感受，它里面所有的牡丹不同的香味你也能闻到，
就是好看。专门也是跟着牡丹搭配了一身衣服，跟朋友们一块儿过来赏牡丹。
Peony, China's national flower, symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Peony cultivation has a history of thousands of years in the country. Heze, a city in Shandong province, is dubbed the peony capital of China.
牡丹呢，在菏泽种植历史比较悠久。菏泽的牡丹在全国栽培面积是最大的，从业人员也是最多的，然后栽培的品种也是最多的。
In November 2013, Chinese President Xi Jinping visited a peony industrial park in Heze during an inspection tour of Shandong. Back then, Heze was still a relatively less developed city. She said that the key to pursuing development in a certain area is to find the right direction and make use of its unique features. He said that less developed areas need to build on their resource advantages and industrial foundation and tap into the potentials of their specialties so as to achieve differentiated competitiveness and development.
总书记视察后，让我们有了更大的信心和干劲儿，也更坚定了牡丹产业的发展方向，加大产品的研发力度，每年都有新品上市。
可以说是我们这个牡丹产业得到了一个井喷式的发展。以前我们村的种植面积仅有几百亩，自从13年之后呢，我们是成倍的往上增长，达到了现在的2万余亩。然后我们那个农民收入呢，从原先的几千块钱到现在的人均收入的几万元。
Since 2013, Heze has been working to build a peony industrial chain and promote the upgrading of the industries.
咱现在牡丹这一块，咱主要是药用的这个游泳，还有这个鲜菜花。
我们目前呢已经完成了牡丹系列的护肤品和系列的食品，还有一个呢是牡丹的一些文化创意产品。全产业链的布局，我们看到了这个机遇。在未来呢，我们会继续扩大牡丹的种植面积，加大研发力度，开发出更多大家需要的产品。
From a flower to an industrial chain, peonies have not only adorned the city of Heze, but also empowered its people and enriched citizens' lives.